Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So on this unboxing video today, I'm going to be unboxing my next order from 1688. And if you're new onto this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you can always get our post whenever I upload. Today I'm going to show you the few things I bought from 1688 from China. So this time around, like the previous one, I also got things for my home and not really girlish things. But in my next order, I'm going to be unboxing my bags. So please make sure you stay subscribed and stay tuned when I unbox that order. For this, come with me. That's actually the first thing that came up here. Can be used for cereal, and I actually bought it for detergent around the house. So this is how it is actually around my house. Okay, instead of dipping hand inside detergent containers and just use something like this. Make sure you measure up your detergent. You can also use it for liquid washes, fabric softeners, and a whole lot in your laundry, in your kitchen, or whatever. So that's that for this, and I got a number of them. Okay, so that's that for this one. I've always loved to have these jars. So beautiful, so cute. These jars are really home necessities. Like, you need to have them in your home. I love this jar. I bought them in different sizes. I bought the smaller ones. And woo! You see how that fell? And it did not even break. Plastic and strong. I love them so much. Okay, I also bought a more smaller one just in case. See how pretty this is. Oh my good God, it's so pretty. Yeah, I love this so much. So this is about 1 liter. This is about 500 grams, 200 grams. So definitely, if you come along with me on this channel, you see the things that I'll use this stuff for. Thank God, I got scoops. I got these scoops, like what you literally see on Amazon. I got them for my cereal, for my whatever. I also got them for my business. Like, you cannot be scooping out cereals and you'll be looking for spoon. Then I got these juice bottles. Like, they've broken all my juice bottles, and I love juicing a lot, so I had to replace them. I had to replace these juice bottles. So I got this from 1688. So I got this. If you look at my YouTube shorts, you definitely see how I make use of this when juicing.
So these ones are just plastic bottles that I got for my business. I make skincare, so I usually would use these bottles for oils or some other things. So I got this for my business. I'm just gonna set this aside.
Then I also have this Unbox. It's actually also an Amazon find. And this is how it is in it. It has a paper that you can write what it is on, and paste it on here. And you can use it for spike. For me, I use it in my bedroom for earbuds, cotton pads, whatever I want to just store. Even my jewelries, I want to put something like and you can also use it in the kitchen for spices, whatever. You just ring them, label them, and then what you just do is take this and scoop up. So it's it makes you really organize your home. I got this and it's really not expensive. Then I also got Snot pillow. I got Snot pillow. I got lots of them too. I got Snot pillows, and this is really comfy for your bedroom. And I think I have 1 or 2 for sale. I have 1 or 2 for sale. Then I also got pumpkin pillows. Is this not beautiful? You can use this to beautify your space. You can use this for a decor. You can also use it for throw pillows and something. And I have them in different sizes and also in different colors. So I also have them available for sale in case you're interested. And then I also bought these character pillows. This we have crab. Here I don't know what this, okay, this is swan or goose. I don't know. But I shall know it's an animal. Okay, it's still here. And I have this one. I think this is an elephant. No, a lion, monkey. I beg. See all these things, character pillows. They are also available for sale if you want them. Last but not the least, there's one thing I actually regretted in my last order, and one thing I actually regretted buying in my kitchen. One particular thing I regretted buying in my kitchen. I'll show you. My spice racks, my spice containers. They were the worst thing I ever bought from China. So I decided to replace them with something I know, I understand, and I can see how it operates with my 2 kuru eyes. See that this one is broken. We can't even understand where it's coming from. This one has no cover again. Like, this one cannot close. This one cannot close, and it's even broken at the middle. This one cannot close. This one is broken. See how they now look. It can be fine for something else, probably. So that was why I bought these spice containers back for myself. Okay, I'd rather use this one for my spice, cereal, whatever, than to use these ones I just showed you. That breaks every minute, doesn't close, it doesn't look fine. Like, it looked fine before the spice. So I bought these ones in different sizes. This is 1 kg, that's 1 liter, and this is 800 grams. This is 1 liter. This is 800 grams. This is 500 grams. This is 250 grams. Another reason why I got this set is because, like I said initially, I do skincare, so this cannot even be a waste for me, because I would definitely use them to pack either body scrubs. I would either use them to pack body scrubs or maybe soap paste, body butters, and a whole lot. So they are very, very useful to me. So I purposely bought them. I'm going to do another video when I'll change all my spice racks, and then I'll use this, and you see the difference. So that's all for the order I have today, and let me show you my favorite things in all the orders I had today. One is this jar. I don't know why I love this jar so much. I love this jar so much. 2 is the scoop. Like, this is exactly Amazon scoop. Amazon scoops. Okay, this small storage box that you can use for virtually almost everything. So that's actually my favorites for this unboxing today, and I really want to say thank you for joining my unboxing today. I'm going to be unboxing probably, I don't know which of my goods will come in first, but my bags are on their way, bags and some other stuff. And I want you to join me so you see the bags I'm going to be ordering. I believe those are the kind of things you would want to see. But however, I hope you stay subscribed to this channel and you're following me and you turn your notification bell as well. So the basis of ordering from 1688 is very simple. Download the 1688 app, just go through, get something you want. Even if you cannot understand the languages, copy the link, get your agent. If you don't have any agent, send me an email. My email link would be in my description box. Send me an email if you want an agent. I can give you an agent for free. When you copy your link, all you have to do is just to send the link to your agent. The price is already there. Your agent will tell you which of the prices. Your agents will tell you the price rates at the time you're buying, and the agent will also tell you his or her procurement charge. And that's it. You just get what you want from 1688. And also, if you do not want to order via an agent, you want to start ordering directly, it's something you have to learn. It's not something you just can do. But for this, any of you can do it. Just download the app, get a link, send to your agent, make the payment, and you get your goods coming into Nigeria. But if you want to start buying without an agent, that means you have to learn the trade. And you can also let me know in my email. I'm going to show you someone who teaches you how to order without an agent. I'm not a procurer, I'm not an agent, but I love unboxing the things I buy, and you're always welcome. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope you've subscribed, and I hope you turn your notification bell so you can always get my posts whenever I upload. I hope to see you next time. For now, take care and bye.